If you are a content creator, a digital marketer, or you work from home, one of the things that mostly drain your income is data. Some people spend from 50% to 50% on the purchase of data, and that can be draining. If you have been looking for ways on how to get data at a very cheaper rate, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to share with you 13 codes that can use to get data at a very cheaper rate from MTN. So this video is dedicated to MTN users. If you are also using other network, I've also done similar video to get data at a very cheaper rate from other network. I'm going to attach this other video to the description of this video. After you finish watching this video, you can check the description of this video to get access to this other video. Make sure you watch this video to the end because number 8, 11 and 13 are my favorite codes. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, you are welcome. On this channel I teach you different methods that you can work from home and make passive income online. If that interests you, do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get the notification. So let's dive into the video. The first code to get it at the very cheaper from MTN is *312 *86#. *312 *86#. So let's dial it and see what we can get with this code. You'll be charged 20 naira for the purchase of 75 MB plus 75 MB weekly plan. With 20 naira, you can get 250 MB. So this is a very good option to get it at the very cheaper from MTN. The number 2 code to get it at the very cheaper from MTN is *121#. Then dial 2, which is Data4me. So you have two options that's available that you can use to get cheap data with this option. The first option, with 300 I can get 1.5 GB of data. The data will be valid for 7 days. The second option, with 500 I can get 2 GB of data. To also be valid for 7 days also. So you can use any of these options to do your data subscription from MTN. The number 3 code to get cheap data from MTN is *312 *87#. *312 *87#. So let's dial it and see what you can get with this code. You will be charged 15 naira for the purchase of 200 MB plus 250 MB 14 days plan. With 15 I can get 450 MB, and this will be valid for 14 days. So this is another good option to do your weekly data subscription from MTN. The number 4 code to get cheap data from MTN is *406 *3#. *406 *3#. So let's delete and see what you can get with this code. This code is mostly for night browsing. So if you normally do a lot of work in the night, you can use this code to do your data subscription for your night browsing. You can make use of this plan from 11 PM to 6 PM in the night, and you can do up to 2 GB of data that you can use for your night browsing. With 75 naira you can get 500 MB, which means with 150 you can get 1 GB of data. The number 5 code to get it at the very cheaper from MTN is *312 *65 *2#. So let's edit and see what you can get with this code. You'll be charged 200 naira for the purchase of 1 GB weekly data bundle. With 200 naira get 1 GB of data. This will be valid for 1 week. So this is another good option to get it at the very cheaper from MTN. The number 6 code to get it at the very cheaper from MTN is *312 *3*4#. So let's delete and see what you can get with this code. So if you want to do data subscription that you can use for only your TikTok, and use this code to do your data subscription. And we have two options that's available. The first option, with 15 I can get 150 MB to be valid for 1 day. The second option, with 400 I can get 2 GB of data to be valid for 7 days. So I mostly go for the second option, which is 400 for 2 GB of data. The number 7 code to get it at the very cheaper from MTN is *312 *88#. *312 *88#. So let's delete and see what you can get with this code. You'll be charged 200 for the purchase of 1 GB plus 500 MB monthly plan. With 200 you can get 1.5 GB of data. This will be valid for 1 month. So this is a very good option to do your monthly data subscription from MTN. The number 8 code to get it at a very cheaper from MTN is *344#. So that's *344#. Then number 7, which is buffet bundle. You have two options that's available that can use to do your data subscription, and this option is mostly for YouTube. So if you want to do a data subscription that can use to to stream on YouTube or to watch videos on YouTube or to download videos on YouTube, you can use this option. And we have two plans that is available. The first plan is 12 hours plan, the second plan is 4 hours plan. So if you want to access the 12 hours plan, you dial 1. For the 12 hours plan, you're going to pay 600 naira to get access to this plan that you can use for 12 hours to do any activities on YouTube. For the 4 hours plan, you're going to dial 2 to access it. For the 4 hours plan, you're going to pay 215 naira to get access to this plan. The number 9 code to get it at the very cheap price from MTN is *312 *65 *4 #. So let's dial it and see what you can get with this code. You'll be charged 500 naira for the purchase of 2 GB bi-weekly data bundle. With 500 naira, you can get 2 GB of data, and this will be valid for 14 days. The number 10 code to get it at the very cheap price from MTN is *121 *6 *1 #. So let's dial it and see what you can get with this code. We have two options that's available that you can use to do your data subscription with this code. The first option, with 1000 can get 4.5 GB of data. The second option, with 1500 can get 7 GB of data. Number 11 code to get it at the very cheap price from MTN is *312 *66 # *312 *66 #. So let's dial it and see what you can get with this code. Yellow, you can now enjoy 300 bonus on all your recharge. So if you dial this code, they're going to be giving you 200% bonus on all your recharge, and you're going to be getting 150 MB monthly for the next 3 months. The number 12 code to get it at the very cheap price from MTN is *121 #. So that's *121 #. Then you dial number 4, which is smart data. So you have 3 options that's available that you can use to do your data subscription with this code. The first one is daily offer, the second one is 7 days offer, and the last one is 30 days offer. To access the daily offer, you dial number 1. For the daily offer, you have 2 options that's available that can use to do your data subscription. So let's dial 0 to go back. For the 7 days plan, you dial 2 to access it. For the 7 days plan, also have one offer that is available. To access the 30 days plan, you dial 3. So for the 30 days plan, I also have 2 options that's available. The number 13 code to get it at the very cheap price from MTN is *312 #. That's *312 #. Then dial number 4, which is business plan. So this plan is mostly for business owners. Dial number 2, which is broadband bundle. Dial number 1, which is cap plan. I have 3 options that's available. I have the monthly data plan, the 3-month plan, and the yearly plan. So depending on the one you are going for, if you are going for the monthly plan, you dial number 1. For the monthly plan, these are the different options that's available that can use to do your monthly data subscription. The first option, with 9000 can get 30 GB of data. The second option, with 14,500 can get 60 GB of data. The third option, with 24,000 can get 120 GB of data. The fourth option, with 37,500 can get 200 GB of data. So let's dial 0 to go back. For the 3-month plan, if you want to do a data plan that will last for 3 months, you go for the 3-month plan. So you're going to dial 2 to access this. For the 3-month plan, with 75,000 can get 450 GB of data. Let's dial 0 to go back. Then for the yearly plan, if you want to do a data plan that will last for 1 year, you can go for this option. So I'm going to dial 3 to access this. For the yearly plan, with 225,000 can get 1.5 terabytes. So you can use any of these options to do your data subscription from MTN. These are the 13 codes that can use to get data at a very cheap price from MTN. And this code will help you to save you costs in the purchase of data. If you got value from this video, do it to like this video and so drop a comment on the comment section. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, do it to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification, so that anytime I upload videos like this, you'll be the first person to get notification. If you want to get access to other code that you can use to get data very cheap from other network, you can watch the video that is showing next on your screen, or you can share the description of this video. So I will see you in my next video.